Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Boost Mobile Hotspot. Everyone is trying to access the internet to know about technical news, to know about different events or any programs, to get info about all types of environment. All this happens through a single smartphone. So if I tries explore so many things on the internet, the data pack gets exhausted. But one thing which has to go is the sense of curiosity and depth in the field of technology as well as internet. People had to search for something on Google or have to see some videos on YouTube. So data should be there either directly or indirectly. There comes the discovery of hotspot. This way is very cool and creative way to share someone's internet to another person. What is a hotspot? A hotspot is a tool, or you can say a button on your smartphone through which you can share your internet or data to someone. The hotspot is only a mean to share your data through Wi-Fi. The person turning on the hotspot could be able to limit the number of devices to which he wants to share internet. The other person wanting to take the internet has to put on the Wi-Fi portal to identify the hotspot device and access it. So basically in the process of sharing the internet, the hotspot becomes the donor and the other phone becomes the acceptor. Next is models of Boost Mobile. Apart from unlimited plans and others, they also started to make different smartphones, or we can say smartphones. Boost the first Android phone somewhere around June 2010. Several models to the market were brought by Boost Mobile company. But as we know, technology sets a very faster rate. So like other companies, Boost Mobile also developed its smartphone model. The company releases its first 4G enabled smartphone in 2013. Boost Mobile was probably the first company who discovered the mobile of monthly or yearly plans for the hotspot. Also have the application through which customers can buy or order something. Next is services provided by Boost Mobile. The best part of Boost Mobile is that they had both national and international services. They also provide different plans for restaurants and online deliveries. The beautiful thing for customers is that they provide different benefits for excellent deals. It has access to different online restaurants on which customers can get maximum discounts. They can also get the charge of VIP experiences. The payment verification method for all that popular telecom provider for the renewal of monthly or yearly plan was straightforwarded. The software used in Boost Mobile was very efficient because if there is more than one device connected to a hotspot, then the data is shared between the devices. Boost Mobile does not compromise on transparency. Any user or any customer can access his balance account. Background applications. Sometimes the background actions can be the real culprit that the average person cannot feel or see. Here we are talking about the background applications which are running in hidden or startup mode. They slow the speed of internet in which it has to work. Mainly the apps are taking internet bandwidth to operate. The primary examples which we can make all like social media, emails and others. At last I would like to conclude by saying that company Boost Mobile is changing the world through their out-of-the-box plans on providing unlimited hotspot. But at the same time, we also had to learn all the necessary knowledge on how to use the hotspot to the maximum extent. If we can learn all the basics of using a hotspot, then Boost Mobile Hotspot can be a perfect movie for all smartphone users. Mobile hotspots let everyone connect through their phone using their Wi-Fi. These also protect other users from safeguarding their phones from malicious and unsafe Wi-Fi portals. Boost Mobile is providing an excellent service to the world to increase people's productivity. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.